Welcome to Reviewz Heaven, the place where smart shopping meets honest reviews. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best chicken shredders that'll save your hands from the endless fork battle. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, whipping up buffalo chicken dip, or just want perfectly shredded meat in seconds, we've got tools that get the job done. Fast, easy, and with a sprinkle of fun. From anti-slip bases to dishwasher-safe designs, these gadgets are here to make your kitchen life way easier. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's get shredding. Oh, and all the product links are in the description box below. Let's go? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. SURETIVIAN Large Chicken Shredder Tool. Meet the SURETIVIAN Chicken Shredder, a tool that turns your meat into magic in seconds. This isn't your grandma's fork and pray method. Nope. With upgraded inner claws and a strong anti-slip base, it stays put like it's glued to the counter, minus the mess. Plus, it looks like a blooming flower. Because why shouldn't your meat shredder be cute? Just twist and shout. Well, maybe just twist and watch it tear through cooked chicken, pork, or beef like a beast. Thanks to its ergonomic handle and lid spikes, it does the hard work while you pretend you're on a cooking show. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant material, it laughs in the face of your dishwasher. And yes, there's even a cleaning brush included, because nobody likes scrubbing plastic cloths. Perfect for tacos, barbecue, salads, or even gourmet pet food. Yep. Just remember, no raw meat. Unless you want shredded regrets. It's the gift your kitchen didn't know it needed, but your hands will thank you. Number 2. Eoaod Pro Chicken Shredder Tool. Say hello to the Eoaod Pro Chicken Shredder, the kitchen wizard that makes boring forks cry in the drawer. With a deep 2-inch bottom, this bad boy lets your meat settle in and chill, right before getting totally shredded. Think spa day, but for chicken. Thanks to its extra long prongs, it's 40% more efficient. That means fewer twists, less effort, and more time to admire your perfectly pulled buffalo chicken. Plus, the clear lid, it lets you watch the action, meat theater at its finest. It's built from BPA-free, heat-resistant material, so it's safe for the microwave and dishwasher. No need to worry if you're the, oops, I left it near the grill again type. With a solid anti-slip base and ergonomic double handles, it stays put like a well-trained puppy. No chasing it across the counter. From tacos to tuna salad to pet meals fit for a furry king. This tool handles it all. Honestly, it shreds meat like a pro, and your hands won't even break a sweat. Number 3. Aopigavi Pro Chicken Shredder Tool with Brush. Introducing the Aopigavi Pro Chicken Shredder, the glam queen of kitchen gadgets. With a sparkly diamond design and a transparent lid, it shreds chicken and steals the spotlight. Who knew mincing meat could feel this fancy? Thanks to its strong anti-slip base, it stays rock steady. No more chasing your chicken shredder across the counter like it's late for a meeting. The high-grade glue keeps that strip locked in place, even after a dishwasher spa day. Its ergonomic handle rotates a full 360 degrees, just like your brain trying to remember what's for dinner. And those 5-pointed star spikes? They don't play around. They tear through chicken faster than you can say taco night. Cleaning? A breeze. With its extra-large brush and dishwasher-safe design, this shredder won't hog your time. And yes, it's BPA-free, because nobody wants mystery chemicals in their chicken salad. Perfect for burritos, barbecue, and impressing your in-laws. Gift it, flaunt it, shred with it. This tool brings both style and muscle to your kitchen. Number 4. Hundop Chicken Shredder Tool Twist for Kitchen. Meet the Hundop Chicken Shredder, the tool that turns meat into magic, minus the drama. No electricity, no noise, just your hands and a twist. It's like a gym workout, but only for your dinner. Made from high-quality, BPA-free material, this shredder is sturdy, heat-resistant, and definitely not the melt in the dishwasher type. It handles the heat like a kitchen warrior, up to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Just pop in your cooked meat, please, not raw. This isn't a wrestling match. Close the lid, give it a spin, and boom, shredded meat in seconds. The anti-skid base keeps things steady, so your counter doesn't turn into a slip-and-slide. From tacos and casseroles to buff chicken salad and even gourmet pet food, this thing does it all. It's a perfect kitchen buddy for foodies, fitness fans, or that friend who says meal prep like it's a sport. Easy to use, easy to clean, and easy to love. The Hundop Chicken Shredder. Twist it, shred it, and let dinner do the talking. Number 5. Beiyunee Large Chicken Shredder Tool. Say hello to the Beiyunee Chicken Shredder, your new kitchen sidekick that shreds meat faster than you shred your to-do list. With sharp pentagram teeth and a smooth twist motion, it tears through chicken, pork, or even lettuce like it's auditioning for a cooking show. The 10-inch design means it handles big chunks with ease. And yes, you get to watch the action through the flower-shaped transparent lid, because watching meat spin is oddly satisfying. It comes in vibrant, dopamine-boosting colors, but don't let the pretty face fool you. It grips like a champ, thanks to 4 upgraded anti-slip strips and a comfy ergonomic handle. You twist, it stays put. No dancing across the counter here. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant material, it's safe, tough, and even dishwasher-friendly. Plus, the included cleaning brush makes cleanup feel less like a chore and more like a breeze. Whether you're meal prepping, feeding a crowd, or spoiling your pets, this gadget is the real MVP. It even comes in a gift box, because every kitchen deserves a little love. And that wraps up our top 5 chicken shredders. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or even your furry pals, these tools get the job done. All product links are in the description box below, so go check them out. Thanks for watching Reviewz Heaven.